Yeah guys, just a quick video. Big shout out to the boys who did the wheel rotation. Really important to get this done, so just a real short video about getting your wheels rotated on your trucks. Yeah, okay guys, so basically we've done about 15 to 20,000 Ks in the truck. Most of that's been on the Tyre. Done quite a bit of off-roading up in the Northern Territory, Queensland, a bit in the Blue Mountains. But basically on the road we're running about 60, 65 in the front, and about 65, 70 in the rear. And not to forget that pressure does rise when the tyres get hot, about 8 psi. So just something a lot of people do overlook, take a little bit too long to get it done. It's just simply getting your wheels rotated, balanced on the line. Now this truck's done about 20,000 Ks, so it's perfect timing. Let's get it done and let this tyre wear become more even, and gives the truck more performance, handles better. Really important thing. Don't forget to do it, folks. Don't forget. It's really important. So yeah, on the beaches we'll run about 20, 25 psi in the sand. On the dirt roads and corrugations we just play it to the feel. We do keep dropping pressure if it's getting too rough, particularly corrugations, but we don't really go under 40 psi and we don't go too quick. We don't want to overheat those tyres. And bearing in mind, tyres do get hot. They do rise about 8 psi. I may have mentioned that before, but just keep an eye on your tyre pressures. It's really important. Yeah, now our truck's weighing in around 6 tonne. So there you go, 20,000 Ks. So you've got a little bit of scallop in here, bit of wear. Front, and there's our backs after 20,000. Show the front again, side on, so you can see what sort of wear. So where are we today? We are at Big Wheels Truck Alignment on Sunshine Coast. So they do a lot of work for All Terrain Warriors. In fact, there's one over there to get worked on. So they're going to do a rotation and just get pressures right and sort us out. So Mitch has been really good to deal with. And we're going to head into Maroochydore for a few hours and just let the fellows who are the experts deal with this. So happy I timed it to be here. As I say, it's got about 20,000 Ks on it, so perfect. Yeah, so they've done the tyre rotation and told me when to come in for the next one. Awesome. And just having a quick word with the fellas and see where they're located.
Right up and down the east coast of Australia.
Thanks fellas. Thanks for it. Thanks to Mitch and Chris. Show you what they've done. So we've got our nice big spares back on the front. And the backies are basically on there, just swapped around. The rig back from Big Wheels in the Sunshine Coast, and it looks good. It looks good. So let's see how she drives. But big shout out to the guys there, Mitch and Chris. And you're not paying a fortune for this. It is awesome. Awesome. So got the truck back from Big Wheels. I'm going to stick it here to prove it. And yeah, it feels fantastic. Front end feels nice, smooth, it feels good. And the truck always feels good after a nice wheel rotation. Thanks to Big Wheels, Sunshine Coast. A great day everyone, and make sure you get your wheels rotated and get that truck running well. We were running these a little bit high on a big tar stretch, so they did wear a little bit more in the centre, and a lot of hard steering, so they sort of cupped out on their front edge tyres there. Hence the need for a rotation.